Hey, you new guy?
Yeah. I hope you're here next week.
We like to set people up for success on their first day.
Excuse me, I'm looking for Pat.
Pat? Yeah, he's back there somewhere.
Are you Pat?
No! Get out of here. Close the door. I don't know what you're doing here. Get the hell out.
Who parked in front of the warehouse?
We try to make people feel welcome on the first day. Alright, go put this on.
Where?
Just somewhere over there, but just put it on.
Alright, I guess you're with me today.
Yep.
I'm gonna need you to get 6 air movers and a high temp and a DU and just meet me in my truck.
Where are they?
I can't do this. I'll just do it myself. Alright, forget about it.
I guess you're coming with me now.
Where are we going?
To a sewer, let's get your PPE back.
What's a PPE bag?
Our extensive onboarding checklist lets the employee know where everything is on their first day.